In the digital era, we are facing an unmanageable amount of data. It is therefore crucial that the data is processed and transformed into useful information. Introducing Tango, a state-of-the-art IT solution that provides cost-effective planning, efficient control, and management of systems in smart cities, villages, and communities. Mayors, owners, and operators of infrastructure, industry, and different types of buildings are facing many IT challenges. A lack of proper information for effective management, the inability to display data in one place, high costs of upgrading existing information systems. By using Tango, we collect data from various data sources and, with the help of data intelligence, manage complex systems in a cost-effective way. With machine learning, or so-called data intelligence, Tango enables the forecasting of events, thus optimizing demanding processes or systems. We efficiently manage critical infrastructure. We improve the management of smart cities and smart industries. We efficiently manage renewables and flexibility of units on the market. Tango enables users to create individually adapted dashboards without any programming skills or additional costs. Quality information provides a clear insight into all the measures necessary for the system's efficient performance in the future. With this, Tango helps to reduce costs and environmental burdens while increasing stakeholder satisfaction. Tango, connecting devices, data sources, and people. Collecting, exchanging, analyzing, and storing data. Converting data into information. Visualizing and transmitting information, using information for a better tomorrow. Tango, powerful data insights for better business results.
Okay, so now officially we are in a coffee break, but because we are virtual and online and not on site, we decided that we will stay with you. We will little bit chat. We will little learn, explore, and network. And if you wanna join the conversation, just please raise hand and ask the question, or we will give you the opportunity to talk. And with me is Mr. Edvard Krančević from the company Petrol, and it is a new thing for both of us. So I am not a coffee drinker to start. I'm water drinker. So cheers to everyone. And we can just basically maybe start with your, let's say, view on, coffee gives humans energy. In the future, we will have more and more, let's say, e-mobility things. We will listen about this tomorrow, about also talking about e-mobility of things. We know this Internet of Things, e-mobility things, a lot of things will be like that. So what's your view on how this will change our lives? Because today we learned that we are charging on station-based, and tomorrow we will charge almost, we believe, everywhere. And I will give you one infographics as well to highlight this. So please, Edvard, what's your view? How this will change in the future? Edvard, you're on mute.
Sorry. Like I explained in my session already, so this definitely will change our perspective, how we see the not just smart cities, communities, but also other systems that we are trying to connect here. So I have to say this is a part of our daily based business. So we are really progressing here and learning on daily basis, and what is now going on tomorrow will be something in addition. So we're really flexible here. We have a let's say, bunch of young guys, engineers that are developing our systems, and we are really trying to be, let's just say, industry leader in this terms of speaking. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's interesting, how some trends are coming. When I was traveling around the globe, maybe not in Europe, but in some emerging markets, especially in Asia and Africa, we see this rapid urbanization. And in Southeast Europe, we also see a lot of new developments coming. And this rapid urbanization is so cities simply cannot just grow. So somehow we need to manage resources wisely. So
I agree fully. So we have to, cities will grow, the population will grow, but on the other side, we have to be sustainable. So that's our main focus. So to bring the other side. So while growing, be also sustainable and environmentally friendly and let's say less CO2 footprint and all those things that are very, very important nowadays. So we are always looking both sides. Yeah. But to be honest, so we are also running business on growing. So the growth itself it's good for business and it should stay like that. So we all saw that this coronavirus situation really shocked the whole world and it's not good, So we have to put ourselves in let's say in the past, so to say, that we are traveling again. So you can see today that aviation is almost grounded. So I sincerely hope that this will change pretty soon. Yeah.
Yes, and of course, when we are discussing about the change of business models, your company changed quite a lot of them. You are basically let's say 20 years ago, well known as a oil and gas retailer and distributor, and now you are much more than that. So
Exactly.
what's the drivers behind that? Is this really following the trends? Or it's really making, like they say, there are famous quotes, the best way to predict future is basically to make it.
We found out many years ago that only running oil business it's not enough, and luckily this decision was made several years ago, and portfolio of Petrol businesses is really, it really contains let's say several different, let's say from energy services, wholesales. We're really energy selling infrastructure. So we are trying to be, we say, energy utility company. So energy utility and not energy selling company also, so if we are looking more into details to our, let's say, to our system, you will find out that we have a lot of young people, a lot of young engineers, a lot of people they are developing solutions and solutions that are not now today, but we are, let's say, developing for tomorrow. So we're trying to be on the edge, we're trying to be competitive, and that's the only policy. So to be, let's say, in the game, so to say. Yeah.
Yeah. So in the meanwhile, I'm sharing, the graphic of the mega cities. What we see is that 68, so approximately 70% of population will live in urban areas, but this will even grow at 2,100. I was looking which will be the biggest city, and it was for me really, I was surprised that 3 largest cities in 2,100 will be in Africa. They will be in Nigeria, they will be in Congo, and they will be in Tanzania. But going back to Europe, so in Europe we have quite old buildings, and let's say in Ljubljana, you're basically one of the leading company who is offering, I believe, 20 years of energy service providing to basically renew and to become then the energy provider on the long run. So how is let's say this old part of the cities, ready for, I don't know, the future, for zero emission buildings?
I should say it's not only about our company, but it's in the first place, it's about let's say the citizens, the mayor, and the policy that is running in Ljubljana. As you can see, these things are developing quite rapidly. We saw the speech in the morning, how they try to unite, let's say, green areas, let's say traffic-free zones and so on. So Ljubljana has really changed in the last 10 years, I must say so. So, and we as an energy company, we're trying to support this effort to become even more sustainable. So we, as I explained earlier, we let's say optimized, renovated a lot of existing buildings in the city, from schools, other public buildings, kindergartens, and so on. So we believe also that we put a major footprint, how to say, to better, let's say, future in Ljubljana. And of course, this is less CO2 emission, less pollution, and so on. So when we are optimizing, we are trying to introduce new technologies, environmentally friendly technologies. So we are always trying to step one step further. So and of course, to make business. This is our main focus here. So we are not hiding from that, but doing business and doing it in a sustainable way. That's the main point. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Ewald. Now we go to company, our leading insurance company, Triglav. And
thank you.
Yes.
It was a nice coffee break.
And it's continuing, so don't go away.